Hello, welcome back to the fyog Home Podcast, your signature resource for ADHD-friendly home interior and management. I'm your host, Desiree, and today we're tackling something that can feel nearly impossible when you have ADHD. Decluttering. Dun dun da! If you've ever looked at a messy room, felt completely overwhelmed, and then walked away just to scroll on your phone instead, I get you. The struggle is real. But today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, ADHD-friendly 5-step decluttering method that actually works with our brains, not against them. No complicated systems, no unrealistic expectations, just an easy guide to help you create a space that supports you. Let's get into it. But first, we must understand what zones and home bases are. Before we start decluttering, let's talk about something that makes ADHD organization so much easier. Zones. Think of your home as a set of categories: bedroom, bathroom, living room, etc. Within those, you create zones, specific areas with a clear purpose, like a dresser for clothes or a workspace for productivity. And within those zones, we assign home bases, the exact spot where each item belongs. Instead of tossing your keys everywhere, they always go in the entryway basket. Instead of leaving skincare all over the sink, it stays in a labeled container under the cabinet or in a lazy Susan on top of the counter. This method helps you know exactly where things go, eliminating that "where the f*** did I put that" moment we all know way too well. Okay. All right, are you ready? Let's break down decluttering into 5 simple steps. No stress, no overwhelm. Step 1, sort. First, pick one category. Clothes, books, papers, whatever needs attention. Gather everything in one spot so you can see what you're working with. Then, go item by item and decide: keep, donate, or toss. The goal is to focus on what's useful or truly brings you joy, not just what you might use one day. Step 2, purge. This is where we get real with ourselves. Ask, do I use this? Do I love it? Do I actually need it? If it's a no, it's time to donate or toss. Remember, letting go of clutter equals letting go of stress. More space means more mental clarity. Step 3, organize. Now put similar things together, like grouping all of your skincare, tech gadgets, or craft supplies. Then assign each group a home base so you always know where to find it. Labels and color-coded bins can be game changers when you need a quick visual cue. Step 4, evaluate. Before putting things back, do a final check. Have I actually used or wore this in the past few months? Does it add value to my space? Or is it just taking up room? If you can picture your space looking better without it, let it go. You'll thank yourself later. Step 5, maintain. Decluttering isn't just a one-time thing. It's about keeping your space functional. Periodically, reset your space. Do quick check-ins and remove anything that no longer serves you. Use reminders like labels or checklists to stay on track, especially if you tend to get distracted. And that's it. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just start small, follow these steps, and you'll create a space that works for you. Lastly, here are some 3 decluttering tips. Number 1, play your favorite playlist or put on a comfort movie you've watched 1,000 times. Something familiar that won't distract you while you're decluttering. For example, I've watched Toy Story so many times, I know the entire movie script word by word. It's insane. And that is the movie I put on whenever I declutter. Because it's familiar, but I'm not trying to sit down and watch Toy Story. And also, acting out all of the characters while I'm doing my decluttering actually makes the time feel faster. Because by doing that, I'm decluttering at the pace of the movie. So an hour and how many minutes long the movie is, I've done a whole decluttering project in that time frame without really thinking about it. So, number 2, set a timer to help you stay on track and keep the decluttering process moving efficiently. The pressure of a timer can help push you to finish before the time. I recommend the Pomodoro technique. And number 3, Start small. Taking on too much at once can feel overwhelming. Don't even think about doing it all at once. Stick to one small area to keep things manageable. That way, you'll get done a lot faster and you'll save yourself the headache. Decluttering with ADHD isn't about getting it all done in one go. It's about creating a space that makes your life easier, little by little. Whether you tackle one drawer or an entire room today, you're making progress. Be proud of yourself. Your space should feel like a breath of fresh air, not a source of stress. Keep moving at your own pace. You've got this, and I'm right here cheering you on. That's it for today's episode on the ultimate 5-step ADHD-friendly decluttering guide. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a review. For more ADHD-friendly home interior and management tips, head over to fyghome.com. Catch you next time where we'll dive into more ways to make your space oasis work for you.